Yes, boys, we're here early today, gang. We're not fucking around today. You understand? 15 minutes early, NFP day. Let's make some money, okay? Yesterday was a crash out day. I ain't even gonna hold you. Yesterday I was tilting. Today, no. No. I'm excited, boys. We got some opportunity. Hanging out at the 23,000s. Nuts. Nothing but selling yesterday. We only found a lower low all day. Today we're already teasing that. Down to these 57s. It's gonna be interesting if we get a reaction. Or if we get a reaction, right? This stream better not have no delays today, I tell you. 13 minutes till go time. Let's see what the play is. Yeah. It's gotta be short, right? Let's just take a peek. We could find some sell. Yes, sir, Elijah. This drop is crazy, bro. I am trying to figure out if I think it stops or if this is for real. From yesterday, though, it was nuts. Never found any higher prices. Went all the way down to lower lows at the 300s, teasing the 23,000. NFP blew my funding accounts. Hey, that's shitty, but that's okay, King. We've been here before. NFP nearly blew mine yesterday, so I feel you, King. But that's why we bounced back. Would you go long, Elijah? You trying to long this motherfucker? This horrible, slippery downslide of just death. I'm tempted to long this as well, but I feel like we're just going lower. That's the thing. Like this 2360 number. I feel like we could get a pop here to start the morning. PMI is at 45. Okay. Sorry to hear it, though, bro. Blowing the accounts is pain. But we bounce back. We bounce back. I do want to try today as well if I can get a... Let's try this playlist out today, boys. Stop talking about your AI employee, good sir. I would have if it gives some momentum, but I'm looking shorts for obvious reason. I just copped 5 of combine, so we will see how it goes. Hey, good luck, King. Sir Elijah, good luck with those 5, brother. Let's make some money then. I would if it gives some momentum, but I'm looking shorts for obvious reasons. Oh, yeah. We're looking down, sir. I mean, how much lower does it go? I don't know. Maybe into, like, the 980s or something like that. Like, I don't know where this thing turns, but... Early shorts are interesting. We're going to be patient. 10 minutes till market opens. 25 until we get the last little bit of news for the week. Giant week of news. And how do we not grab this? Look at this week that we got. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, all-time highs. Tuesday, all-time highs. Wednesday, all-time fucking highs. Thursday, all-time highs. 4 days in a row we set all-time highs on the NASDAQ. And now today we're down, or 1.3%. But from yesterday, we're down over almost 1,000 points already. Like 750 points. 800 points is unfucking real. Let's go. I was hoping we picked a... Don't need that right there. I was hoping we picked a banger, but this feels a little dull. Yeah, a little dull. Try this one out. Let's try this one. 800 points is crazy, bro. All we needed was a little bit of it. We just needed a little bit of it, but she just wanted to go all the way without us. Let's make some money today. I'm feeling good, boys. Woo! Let's make some money today. Come on, NASDAQ. Gimme the goods. Opportunity. It's going to be some opportunity. I'm already having the itch to try to fucking counter trade this, Elijah. I want to go long, brother. Look at all this upside. Look at all this upside. Look at all this downside. We're going to have a day. NFP, first Friday of the month. Giant reaction off of yesterday's FOMC post day. Made it back, took back all of it, and I knew it fucking would. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. When you have the right trade idea and the wrong execution, it's just criminal. Up 400 so far. Shit feels like a drop in the bucket. 400 out of that 15. Nah, you're almost a third. You're almost a third of the way there, brother. Better than being down 400 to start. What in the world? The man, the myth, the legend, the sauce, the guy, the chef, the boy, the Brett. Let's fucking go, sauce. 2/3 currently. Up 400 so far. Should feel like a drop in the bucket. 2/3 currently is... You don't need 1,500? What do you mean? Aren't you only a third? 1/3? You need 2/3? I feel you. That's what you're saying. You need 2/3. Woo, 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 woo! Sorry to yell in your ear. Sorry to yell in your ear. Getting excited. 6 minutes till market opens. Fucker crushed down to the 23,000s. You ever see a sell-off? This is it. Now, how do we just position ourselves, right? Does this turn? Feels like we could hold this bottom for a little pushy push. But that would also kind of be suicidal, right? Kid Savvy, welcome in, King. Good morning. Happy you're here, brother. Nice and early. I tried to swing it on my funded trader account. I don't even care about because it takes too long to make money with the lot sizes. I tried to swing it on my funded trader account. Got you. I took 3 trades. I won 2. 2 out of 3 trades is pretty sexy. Don't ask how, but I don't have the MFF account anymore. R.I.P. King. R.I.P. to that account, King, but that's okay. We bounced back. It's alright, kid. NFP is a motherfucker. Sounds like it wiped out Elijah too. You guys saw the damage it did to me yesterday. Yeah, unless you're smashing that sell button yesterday, you're probably in some pain. Which is funny because it seemed like the obvious thing to do is just smash the sell button. This thing has dropped 800 fucking points. For the last 4 days, okay? Monday, all-time high in the NASDAQ. But I'm back on Topstep, though. Come on, let's go, kid. These are the accounts, buddy. I fuck with that. Monday, all-time high in the NASDAQ. Tuesday, All-time high in the NASDAQ. We go to Wednesday. We have the actual conference. Push down to lows. Rip all-time high in the NASDAQ. Thursday. Open up. All-time high in the NASDAQ. My boy Spitz. Welcome in, King. Fuck yeah. Happy you're here, brother. Looks sketchy today. Yes, you do. Yes, she do. She's out to take accounts today, boys. Out to take accounts today. Look at this 800-point drop. I was just saying it. 4 days in a row, we set all-time high in the NASDAQ. And now today, we have an 800-point drop. Yeah. Yeah. 1.3% today. I'm not sure exactly what yesterday's percentage was, but she was fat. So careful is the words. I don't even know. Patience. I'm not even sure. But we just gotta see what we got. We gotta just see what we get and try to play along. But yeah, 100%. Be careful today, boys. I mean, Elijah said it. Kid said it. Y'all saw it yesterday. Y'all saw it yesterday. These accounts were getting hurt. All we had to do was short too. And it all started for me when I missed this short. By a few fucking points, I get robbed out of this move. And then I missed all of this. I wouldn't have obviously held any of that, probably. But fuck. Fuck. Let's see what today is. Brand new day, boys. Opening down almost at the 23,000 whole numbers. Just feels a little illegal. Feels a little bit illegal. Opportunity, though. No doubt about it. I mean, even from pre-market highs, from Asia highs, we're 300 points from there. So, money. If we can just be patient today, boys. Find the right spot. Keep our level head. We're going to make some motherfucking money today. My goal is to make like 2,000 today. Try to get these accounts back to like $3,000. Obviously, we'll take what we can get. But, yeah, that's kind of what we're hoping for. Hoping for some motherfucking money. It's okay to have goals. Just no expectations. Goals are healthy. Expectations are a problem. It's hard. We've already sold so far into some of these prices. It's like, where do we turn? 22,930. This thing just keep finding sells into like these 828s. I don't fucking know. The thought of holding from the top is beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Again, this is this trade right here. Let me just show you guys the one that made me literally crash out of my fucking mind. This one here. Okay. By the way, I took 3 shorts yesterday. At 3 shorts yesterday between 9:50 and 10 o'clock. None of which could hit. Okay. Talk about crash out. Talk about crash out. That's a tight stop loss. Like, we're making straight sells, and we can't even get in there. Beauty. An absolute beauty, Juan. Welcome in, King. Good morning, brother. Good morning, brother. We got 1 minute, boys, till the market opens, and then 15 minutes until the PMI, the last little bit of important news for the week. Shit, she sold. I mean, we're down like 800 points from the high right now. So, patience, careful. I don't even know. I don't even know the words. Acting like it wants to support this bottom. Let's be patient here. What you got for us, NASDAQ? Market's opening up in 30 seconds. NQ buys. Juan's looking long. I was looking long earlier. Struggling. 35.40 maybe a good entry long. If we got down to there, 100% Spitz. Depending on how this pre-market candle or this opening print candle reacts. Good Friday, Song Sing. Good morning, King. Or good afternoon in your case, sir. Hope you had a great day so far. Hope it continues. Opening print candle. Here we go. Here we go. Opening print candle. Caution. Patience. Just too volatile, for sure. That's why I'm hesitating right now too, Spitz. We have a lot of opportunity, boys. This thing is already offering some fucking points. I mean, this opening print from the bottom here to the top here is 30 points. Like, we have some opportunity to really make some money today. We just got to not be stupid. Catching a move without 30, 40 ticks is almost impossible like yesterday. I know. That's why I'm like fucking risking the 10 points is tight. It's nearly impossible, like you're saying. But we're going to still swing it. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see the reaction towards this lows. 23,000. Opening print candle. Bearish so far. Pressing into this pre-market low. It seems so obvious, right? To like just smash the sell button, but that's just not the way it works. Catching a move, $1,200. Elijah. Let's go, bro. Good shit. Ballsy to be trading right off the rip like that, but I see you, King. The pip and dip. The pip and dip sniper. Good shit, bro. Pushing off this bottom. Almost engulfing this opening print candle. Pretty interesting already. Already pretty choppy, boys. Zoom out. Don't get too close and attached. Let's just see what we get. Some strength in these 80s. I don't mind that. I don't mind the strength here that it's presenting. We're in one here, boys. We're in one here, boys. It's really going to be tough with a 10-point stop, no matter how you spin it. I might have to adjust that today, to be honest with you. Early trade from us so far. Let's just see what we can get. We're probably 2277 on all 5 accounts. Fuck yeah, Elijah. We took a long there, seeing if that momentum would carry. It's appearing to not, so you know what that means, boys. If she wants to go down, I think we have to participate. We already took a stab at the longs. Today, we're just not going to tilt. I got $800. We're either going to win it or lose it, boys, and I'm okay with it. You feel me? Today, we're not going to be attached to our money. We're going to trade just like traders today. That's all we're going to do. No attachment. We win or we lose. Sir, you in longs? I did. I grabbed a long there. See this reaction? I like that strength of that previous candle. That's why I grabbed the long. The reaction of the strength below equally is impressive. So I don't doubt it. I think it could drop 200 points to the 4-hour support. I like that. You think we go down lower into the 2000s, possibly the 22,000s? We tried the 300 hole number, finding a little bit of support. What did we just reject? We're going to try to grab a short here if we can get a fill. Feels a little dangerous. Not going to lie to you. Teasing that 300 hole number. I want to see the reaction there. We're not being afraid today, boys. Yesterday I was way too tired, just had an anticipation, right? An anticipation to make money. That's just not the way the market works. I might have to close this pre-order, though, depending on how this moves away from us. She's moving away from us. Opening print candle was the 87s, so nice little sweep of the 3,000 hole number there. It's gonna make me a little bit more hesitant on our entry. Let's make some money today, boys. I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm dialed. I don't love that we're hanging out to 23s. I want to see it try to break. Bum, bum, bum. Pushing off this 23,000 hole number. It was off the 3 roughly. We don't got to be too zoomed in. We have about 3, maybe 4 tries. We have about 4 tries left on these accounts. Plenty of opportunity. 10-point stop does make it a little risky. But we're here for it, boys. That candle is enough to make me want to get short. Selling in the hole is just dumb, but I want it. Selling in the hole is dumb here. We did just sweep out that 23,000 hole number there. Give us one more little pop chance here. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, come on, boys. Let's see what we get here. Still hanging out to 23,000s. Let me zoom out a little bit here. I want to see where we would be. Trying to hold it, trying to give it up. When's the last time we were trading 23s? Jesus, a while ago. So the 23's never been a big support. Okay. All right, now we're below into the 90s. Dun, 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 dun. Nice little push there off the 90s or the 80s or the 76s, I guess. Looking to grab a short. Front running this order, so we're at the 24s. I'm going to give it a little bit of room here if we can get a fill. Nice little push. I'm going to give this a little bit more room here. I want to see if we can get a reaction off this EMA. Not giving it 500 though. I just want to give it a little bit more. I want to see if we can get this level to hold here. Find these sellers to step back in. We're back above the 23,000 whole number. That's going to kind of be the interesting part about this. Want to see want to see us try to get back towards those 23,000s. Want to see this try and get back towards those 23,000s. We're hoping this EMA is going to give us some support by the sellers. Finding some wicks. So they're not able to move either way here. I don't love that. I want to see the sellers defend this price. I want to see them try and kick this thing back off this EMA here. Ideally, we get a little bit of speed as well. You know, ideally here. Any wicks in this aren't cool. Got to get through this 23,000 whole number here. Got to try to get through this 23,000 whole number here. If we can, we'll be chilling. Any wicks here aren't going to be ideal. Nice little push there. Got to hold below the 23,000s now. Don't want to see this thing try to reclaim it. Putting break even on officially now, boys. We have a chance to just look lower here. If that breaks, we should be chilling. If we can break through this previous bottom now. Don't want to see it messing around at that bottom. Would like a clearance. Just hypothetically hoping that we can get this to hold. Where can we be looking for? 949s feels a little high, realistically. Let me check this hourly chart. Yeah, we're getting this thing to move a little bit on us. We're going to look a little bit lower. I want to see this reaction at this price, though. I don't want to see us keep wicking through here. I want to get a nice move. Got to see this thing keep moving for us. Nice close. I want to see some continuation. We have to consider we're getting close to the 15-minute range timing, so I just want to keep that in mind. I'm going to quickly just take a zoom out here and try to really see where I think this thing could get to. I don't mind our idea here at the 35s. I don't know exactly what we should be looking for here. I want to see this thing try to give us some more, though. She's into the 60s. I want to just see some more blood. Don't want to see it reclaiming into this price. Let's see some selling here, NASDAQ. Into the 60s again. Ideally, we get a push into the 50s. Decent closure there. Still getting some compression. Decent closure there. Still getting a little bit of compression. Getting a push back in now. We're going to be a little bit more patient. I want to see this thing keep offering some selling. I don't mind the 35s of potential. Nice move. Really beautiful move. Don't tease us out of there. Give us a fill. Give us a fill, Nazi. I think we got just teased out of our exit there. Oh, so slightly. So I haven't been checking my shit at all, boys. I'm just focused on this right now. Have not been watching chat. See if we can get an exit. 4 bands. I'm done for the day. Good money. I think it could drop 200 points. Dropping 10 points is nuts. Good luck on this trade. I didn't have the balls to enter myself. Trail 20K across 5 accounts. 4 bands. I'm done for the day. Elijah, good trading, brother. Good trading, Elijah. Counts. Everyone's at 26.58. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. We have chance. We have chance. Boom. Come on. One time, Saucy. Appreciate you, Juan, for trying to keep me informed for my trail there. I was clearly just focused on that, trying to see if we could get a push. Fuck, that feels fantastic. That really does. We're not done, though, boys. We're not done. That was just our first trade. We're happy to get some momentum. We can celebrate later. We got to fucking find some more opportunity here, though. We're not done for the day. First 15 minutes are almost in. We have the last little bit of PMI news coming out in a minute. Let's fucking see. One more time, he says. Come on. One more. And we have the chance to now use 2 contracts. Just even keeping our shit right. Try to get a nice fill. Risk fucking tight points. I got to change this if we are going to trade 2 contracts to at least 400, though. Otherwise, we're going to get ripped our face off. We're going to try one more, boys. Just one more. Those trades, when it's make or break, is next level feeling good. It really is, Spitz. That was it for me right there, King. We had to have it. That's what we had to do. We had to have it there, and we got it. So let's just see what we can do now. We have one more chance. 15 minutes are now in for this. No, this is now the new candle. I'm going to get our box drawn in for us. Opening print candles here. This is 30. This is the opening print candle, but don't matter because that's technically our top. Excuse me. Why are you doing this to me, YouTube? No, it's not. Hell yeah, boys. Go for another sell. Sell in the bottom. It's It's possible. Into the 900 whole number now. We could have held this thing. We're going to be patient, though. I just got wrecked. Fuck. Sorry, Juan. It's not what I like to hear, King. It's not what I like to hear, King. I'm going to be patient. We're going to look for a little bit of a retracement. We're kind of getting the direction, at least, so far. We're sweeping lows. We're at the 22,900 number now. Still just finding lower sells. Fucking shit. Why do we get out, huh? Just kidding. Totally just kidding. We have one more chance here, boys. We're not going to rush it. I'm going to take a double contract. So we're going to have a little bit more leverage than normal. And fuck. If we have a chance to grab it, it would be sexy. Just another little push. 2 cons. Bring these accounts up to a sexy number. That's what we're hoping for. Still at the 900 whole number. Bottom of the 15-minute range now. It's a little bit tricky to consider how to get this thing to fire. Like where might be a retracement. Even the 50%'s deep below levels. Like it's hard right now, boys. Look at this fucking sell off from 23,845 into the 22,009, almost 845. We're almost 1,000 points down right now. Into the 900 whole number. Finding some more selling off this EMA. It's just pressure. Down 300's nothing, Juan. Fucking nothing, bro. You got this. That's nothing, Juan. You saw yesterday we were down 5. This is an absurd question, but are there any consequences for the market / our economy? We just died by another 2,000 to 3,000 points. Absurd question, but is there any consequences for the market / our economy? We just died. Sauce, I'm going to say no, bro. And let me tell you why. It's because, like, yes, this right here, this pullback feels fucking, like, horrible. Look at this, Sauce. Bro, months ago, April, we were down at 16,600, okay? Look where we're at, okay? This is just technically a pullback in a bull market. Like, this is a bull market. Yes, it sucks to see a big drop, but if we drive another 2,000-3,000 points and we get down towards, like, this 2,000 whole number, might be a little bit more scary. I mean, look how deep 20,000 is, but up here, man, it's just, like, technically a pullback, right? It feels blood in the streets because we're not used to seeing it. We're only used to seeing green. So right now this feels like fucking murder. But tie with the gains. Let's go. Let's go, Mar. Appreciate you being in here, brother. I don't know if I missed you. I was so focused on my trade there for a minute. Fucking appreciate you though, brother. We're not done yet. We're going to take one more try with 2 contracts here and let this thing try to play out a little bit more. We're just going to be patient for it. And if we can get another 1,500 or so, another 2,000, oh my God, it'll be so sexy. Get these accounts right to where we want. They wouldn't let this drop tremendously. That would be scary Mary for everyone, for sure. I mean, this is essentially just a pullback. It is ridiculous. 800 points, 1,000 points. What would we have to drop down for it to be a problem? Probably that 20,000 sauce. Another 2,800 points. We'd be like, what the fuck is going on? I think we have a lot of support we're going to find at the 22,000s if we get there. A lot of support at the 21.5s, 21s. Like all this level right here I see is pretty big support. If we rip through all that and this support here and just rip down to like the 20s, I'd be like, what the fuck is going on? But as of right now, this is looking pretty, just, again, a normal. Like, even above this 22,600s looks supported. Like, it's not panic zone. It's not panic zone yet. This is still just a little pullback off of the all-time fucking highs. Again, the last 4 days in a row, Saucy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 all-time highs in the NASDAQ. Like, we're literally at the highest prices we've ever traded. So you're going to have to kind of anticipate a little bit of a rotation. This is just people taking some money. As much as it's not normal, I guess. We're used to just seeing one fucking direction. It's kind of expected. Nonetheless, it's going to be bloodbath for a while. I think we're going to get some weird, just choppy price action. Like, we're probably just... I don't know. Yesterday, I'm traumatized. Look at this. Oh. Just easy moves the whole way. This is already kind of replicating that. Like, all you had to do, kind of like Elijah's saying, just press the button. Just press the button. Oh, but you press the button? Oh, did you press the button? No, you did not press the button. Okay, you did not press the button. Okay, well, they did not press the button. Bloodbath in the streets. We can still make money during blood, though. We can still make some money during blood. Nice little pump here off of what? The 63s into the EMA. Feels like just like every other time where you should just be trying to consider shorting this thing. I don't want to do it. Press that button then, brother. Oh. He said it to me. He said it to me. And look what I should have did off this EMA push. I should have pressed that button, brother. Can't be scared today, buddy. No, scared money don't make money. Let's make some money today with this range. Shit, I would have liked to be filled off that push, though. Not even having to worry. Be up 25 points right now. It's tough because we're just so deep dick in the hole. It's like, how do you find more shorts? Oh, my God. And I say that, and look at us just keep pressing off of any momentum. Any momentum. We got to push into the EMA and then just a kill off of it. God, I should have hit that. Up 100. Fuck yeah, Juan. That's what I wanted to hear, bud. Yes. Shorts. Shorts. I should have shorted this. The fear in my testicles. Sell 2 contracts and hold till 11. Oh. Get it? Because we could be down here towards like these 500-600s. We won't be, but we could be. Push at the bottom. Little hold here. We'll see the reaction. Elijah did say the 50s. He saw the 50s being in play. We're pretty much here. So, again, it's hard. Like, it's really a tricky game at this point of seeing where this thing really is satisfied. This bottom here makes some sense. We could sweep through these lows to 29s. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. I'm putting in calls all day. I shorted that EMA. Hell yeah, you did, Juan. That's what I was hoping. Those pumps are what we need to be selling. I'm putting in calls all day. Sauce is telling us he's putting in the calls all day and that we only have to be going down till 11 o'clock. So we got some minutes to be shorting right now. Tempting me. You're tempting me, my boy. I just don't want to get dumb. You know what I mean? Like, I'm up some money. I don't want to just get stupid. I just want to have the chance to make some more. Love to. As we do as these degenerate, greedy, gambling fucks. Huh? Is that what we are, boys? Are we just degenerate, gambling, greedy fucks? That's what I'm going to get I'm going to get a little t-shirt. I'm a degenerate, gambling, trading fuck. We're just here for a good time, not a long time, you know? Still hanging out these 60s. Another push of the EMA here. Hypothetically, should be an easy short, Tyler. Hypothetically here, kid. Hypothetically here, kid. You shouldn't be scared to hit the sell button. Yeah, you should have pressed that button. The momentum is crazy, and I'm on the 15-second. I don't think it's dumb, brother. You could have hit that sell 24 hours ago. Nothing but down. I know, Sauce. I know. Hit that sell 24 hours ago. I don't even know what I'd be. I wouldn't even know what to do with myself. We'd be just so chill. Tyler, not a wrong or right answer. Do you think when a support or resistance gets hit multiple times, does it mean it's a stronger zone or is it getting weaker? I like that fucking question by Juan right there. And it's obviously up to debate. I like to, ideally, if I'm trading a range, it hasn't been abused too much. Like, it's not a fucking pepper landing. Like, let me just try to find an example. I'm trying to find an example for you, Wani. It's a great question, though. Again, it depends. Like, I guess this is kind of an example here. Like when we were fucking around with this whole number, the 23,420s. If you guys remember this, may as well ride it until you see something different. You're right, Saucy. But look, we had this push here. 1, 2. This was all time high. Boom, 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 boom. Like, I was way more willing to short this top early, right? So this clear resistance. Now that twice supported it, this third time, okay, I'd be willing to. After that, these start to feel way more scary. It did hold 4, 5, 6, 7 times you could get a push off that price, but I started getting a little bit more scared of it after like 2 or 3. I think I like to catch them a little earlier, personally. Starting to see if this thing wants to try to round out here towards the 900 whole number again. Officially curling over the EMA slightly, finding a little bit of pressure. I was trading 10 with a 4-point stop loss. You sick puppy, you. That's not even titanium testicle. That is fucking insanity. I see. Hell yeah. I like so like this touch right here, right, boys? This is actually a good example. Look at this support that we have on the hourly. Let me bring this out for you. Hourly chart, right? Big bottom here at the 800 whole number. I mean, we came up, sold from it, reclaimed it, supported it, held it, and then we started pushing from these 850s. So now that we're touching into these 850s, I'm going to be very interested to see the reaction total. Like these 838s. I guess technically the price is like, yeah, like 838 is where I'm going to be really interested to pay attention to. And then from there, it's like, what does the market want to give? I don't know. I think you're right, though, Sauce. I think we got to find the shorts. I think the 38s are in play, potentially. Would love to see you find a spot, brother. It moved too fast, so I just went 5 to 10, 150. So I just went 5 with 1,500 point profit target. News in 3 minutes. Would love to see you find a spot. Let's find a spot then. I wouldn't mind the bottom of the 15-minute range. We're already compressing below this, so I can't exactly short that right now. On the 15-second, no less. Risk it for the biscuit. Safe to say I crashed out for the greater good. Safe to say it. Now, I crashed out as much as I could crash out yesterday. I'm going to be mentally better. Yesterday, I was ready to... For no reason, too, by the way. Just because I had excuse me. I had expectations. And those will kick you right in the dick if you're not in control of your emotions. I was saving my funded account for NFP and it was a dud. It's tricky. It's really tricky. It feels like you just can't sell this thing and lose right now. And yeah, I'm hesitating. Why am I so... Because I don't want to shorten the hole, boys. Outside of our normal day, right? Outside of our normal rules, would we be shorting this? Fuck no. We're below big levels. We're below the 15-minute range. We're starting to find a little bit of support below here. So it's like outside of my normalness, it's hard for me to just want to readjust. This was a normal trade that we grabbed. We got out a little early, technically. I was happy with it. But you see why I'm hesitant to just short down here? Even though we have this ridiculous momentum, even though we are up, the actual theories of why we would normally take a trade, they're just not in play right now. I would need to get a push. I need to get a push to find an entry. We have 1 minute here. Here's the news. Here's the news. Quite the reaction. And she's finding some sells right now. And some buys. A little bit of absorption. CPI is better in my opinion. I want to short, but news. Yes, sir. Be careful, Juan. Always better just let it happen first, and then you can try. Into the 40s. Here's that price that we assumed would fire. There's the 38s pushing. Sauce. Ah! You heard me say it too, didn't you? Into the 20s here, boys. Oh, shit. Saucy, you would have totally capitalized on this one. Saucy, I was on the phone with Banks this morning. Tyler, you recovered the accounts. Face palm, face palm, face palm, face palm. Good morning, D. Welcome in, bro. Hope the bank phone call wasn't too stressful. I know sometimes that can be. But, yes, we did take a nice trade. And then homies have been trying to inform me to keep smashing the sell button, and I haven't been able to, so I missed out on more money. This is just a one-time type of sheet. I know, Spitz, which is why it's like, fuck, you got to just sell. I hope y'all did. Brett, you said it. He said I'm hitting the button all day, go to 11, all these things. These are the days to make money, boys. And we're already being a little afraid. We're already being a little bit of timid, a little going on here. That unbelievable price action. The market's going to stay fucking irrational longer than you can stay solvent, right? This is irrational selling at this point. Brother, just look at the chart. Chase Bank sucks. Sauce, look at the chart, he says. How do you know, though? How do you know we don't get a reversal? There's nothing about this chart that says we're going to go down forever. That's the thing. That's the way that people blow accounts. But also not really, because that's the way people have been making money. So I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. It's just that's not how we normally trade. If we trade the way you're talking normally, I lose. So it's like my brain is not conditioned like that. Minus 2.5% on the NASDAQ. Great information by fucking Spitz right there. Chase Bank sucks, but I don't really keep money there. I keep assets with Schwab. That's the way to play. Exactly. See, Spitz is stunned on a 2.5% down after yesterday having a massive down. It's like, it's hard to just assume that we're going to keep selling. We're so deep in the hole. You feel me? There's been absolutely nothing that points to going up. Except for the fact that we're down 1,000 points. That's not nothing, bro. Eventually, buyers get attracted. It's a buyer's market. What about the fact that we're at a giant support level? What about the fact that we're at a giant support level here? Look at this. The 813s, this price has been bouncing price and supporting price for a while. And now we're getting a giant 1,000-point sell into it. If you're wrong, you lose a couple hundred. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, sir. The risk to reward is pretty good. It is. I'm going to take a 780 long, hopefully. What did we just get to? The 802 whole number there? Nah, you're right, though. W mindset, W price, W thoughts, sauce. We just can't get too biased to the idea that it only goes down, right? Or only goes up. There's always going to be a double-sided market. This is a 4-hour support it just hit. Yeah, it's hitting a massive support zone. Like, it really is. Like, if you look at this fucking hourly chart, look at this. That's why I am a little hesitant at this number. This is a spot where if you're a buyer and you're going to get attracted to a number, could be right here. Boom, boom. Appreciate it, sauce. Always providing the vibes, bub. I know you're just trying to keep me aligned. Can't be scared money. We can't be scared money. We got to be willing to take chances. And I am. I just don't want to be stupid. Again, I'm hesitant because of this 300 hole number, or this 830 hole number. 800 roughly, where we're finding some at least a reaction, which of course we should find a reaction. This is a 4-hour demand zone. Like, it is a big spot. And we can't long, so that means we're only looking for shorts. And so where would shorts be a better fill? Tyler, please keep the accounts above 2,000 after payout from now on. You're scared for me, D? Are you scared for me? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. The bounce off 800 was the strongest thing we have seen in 24 hours. Not true. Not true. 480 to 620 is 160 points that it offered yesterday. 300 to 460, 160 point rip there. Like, the market's moving, brother. This is only 8 to 7. This is a 70 point. This is a less than a half of what the moves were yesterday in terms of like the reaction. I tried to pass an Apex eval during non-farm, had sell at 86 and TP at 65, and it slipped and didn't give me my 21 points. Dumb. Damn, that does fucking suck, buddy. Just paid 21 in fees. Now need to wait for the next news to even pass it. It's tough, D, but mental resilience, buddy. It's fucking tough, but there's some mental resilience there. You got this shit. We starting up okay. Timothy, my boy. Happy to see you in here, King. Happy to see you in here, King. We're giant sell-off into these 830 giant demand zone that we're finding into. I mean, for the last, I don't even know. When's the last time we were below these 800s without support? Was July, the start of the month. So this is our monthly low here. Actually, really interesting. Let me actually really quickly verify that. What the fuck is this news doing like that? Go away. It's ugly. Go away. I need to see the bottom of this candle. Thank you. So 22,584 is bottom of the month. So actually, that could be a pretty sexy target. Interesting, interesting. Into these 860s now. We have an imbalance here that we're respecting. Excuse me. Excuse me. We have some fucking points are being offered today. We have a little bit of drawdown now. We can handle it. We're going to try to snowball and take another size, take another trade. Just want to find where it makes the most sense to. It is tricky. Like I said, we have sold all the way into this. And for anybody that trades, you know, imbalance just created an inversion. Finding some strength back towards the 22,900 hole number. Do you have the balls to short the 900s? I don't know. We're so deep in the hole off of a giant demand. Wouldn't mind it as a chance to return here. Finding some strength right now. Finding some strength right now. Already 100 points off of this bottom, boys. The market is offering points. 100 points off the bottom feels like no joke. Hanging out the 900 still. Bum ba da da. I think that was an ad. I think we just got added. I think I was no, it wasn't. Okay. In the 915s, trying to tap into the bottom of the 15-minute range, finding a little bit of a resistance. Hey. We did technically close above that range. That's a technicality. I would be more impressed if we actually reclaim into the 15-minute range here. And it's feeling like it wants it, to be honest with you. There's the 17s. 120 points off the bottom so far. 130 points off the bottom. I mean, this is kind of what I'm saying. It's not a one-direction market, boys. We did tap into a pretty healthy demand zone. Swept the 800s. Getting a push off of it. Back into the 920s. Bottom of the 15-minute range. Finding a little bit of reaction. Jesus, just saw someone live. He took a long at 812 to 920 within 3 minis. God damn. What a fucking G. What a G. Oh, that's so sexy. What a fucking G. That guy's chilling right now. Can I get some of that? Can I get some of that? Turning at the bottom of the 15-minute range so far. $850 hit like clockwork. Yes, it did. We went down to the 800s, into the 920s right now. I'm a little sideways. Making 4K after NFP blew your funded account stings less, especially with this volatility. Absolutely, brother. This volatility is no fucking joke. Getting range extension to both sides. I mean, we just saw right here 100 points offered in the NASDAQ. Like, no problem. And now we're finding higher prices. Back into the 15-minute range here. We all blow accounts, bub. Especially on strong-ass days. But you made your money back, and you stayed mental. So, good work. That's all you can do. That's all we can do, Elijah. Into the 920s. Can we get through the 15-minute range bottom? We're finding some reaction here. Still holding the EMA currently. Still finding some extension into the 30s. Into the 40s now. Tyler, you find out anything about doing ultra low latency? I clicked that on today. Is it still behind D? God damn it. YouTube seems to just not fucking my thing. Says I have 92.1 kilobytes per second. It's 4 out of 4. Drop frame 0. Delay 1 second. My OBS says that we're chilling, but I'm assuming if you're asking, it's probably not. So into the 45s, nearly teasing the 50s here, boys. The buys are finding like this little bottom off the 800s was enough. It's 20 plus seconds. Jesus Christ. You give a refresh? Is it still 20 seconds on a refresh? That is annoying. Also, y'all, if y'all could smash that like button. We've been crushing every single day. Has been getting double digits. Keep that streak going. Fucking appreciate you guys more than you know. More than the NASDAQ does. Just absolutely bouncing 140, 50 points off this bottom and not telling me. Not just saying, hey, we're going to go up now. I'm like, okay. Into the 950s. Into the 950s. It's looking pretty strong, boys. It really is. 10 out of 16 trades for the day. 4 of those losses were super tight stop losses. 10 out of 16 is pretty great, bro. You have a tight risk to reward. You must be trading like pretty tight RR. Test the 15-second chart out. I won't do it. I won't do it, Elijah. That's murder. That is straight noise. I'll peek it, though. I'll take a peek. She's noisy, though. Yeah. Chaotic. Chaotic looking. The minute is noisy enough for me, dog. I respect it, though. I do. This song be on Zelda. Hey, it's fucking hilarious. That is actually sick. Starting to get a little bit of a turn here at the 60s. Wouldn't mind a little healthy retracement. Ideally, we get a nice pull down in like these 860s one more time, and we could try to take a long. It's 10:20. Market's been open for 50 minutes. Market's been open for 50 minutes. We got 40 minutes till Europe closes. We're still finding some support. That 800 push right now is looking ridiculous. 150 points up from there. The range that's being offered today is sexy. Opportunity to make some real money as long as you can just fucking find the spots. Pushing off the EMA here, which is kind of lining up at the bottom of the 50-minute range and sort of this order block. More ideally, it'd be like this 900 whole number. It's below the 15 though. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Boom, 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 boom. Still finding some support on this EMA currently. The buys are not done with this thing right now, they're saying. It's looking a little bit different than yesterday, boys. We could see some reaction at these 980s, but the strength, I wouldn't try to take a 10-point stop and try to predict where this thing turns around right now. We do have the VWAP curling pretty aggressively towards us, but, you know, things do change. My boy Sauce, he said, look at the chart. Look what we're doing now. This is the hardest part, Sauce. It really is the hardest part about trading. Pushing off the 60s a little bit. Timothy, what are you seeing right now? The man, the myth, the legend himself. The top step wrecker. You probably just being patient, waiting for some more range. Excuse me. Just averaging shorts at the moment. Sexy. Just finding spots to grab shorts. Pretty solid, pretty simple, straightforward. Trading what the chart's giving you. That is experience. You looking for shorts? Currently, kinda, yes. I would like if maybe pull back into like one of these ranges. It's tricky. Tricky. We're holding the bottom of the 15-minute range, so I'm a little hesitant to just grab a short right here, right now. Finding a little bit of support at the bottom of that 15-minute range. And I mean, this is the proof. Right back into those 60s now. Right back into those 60s at the moment. And the buyers look like they might be tired after a 1,000+ point sell-off. After 1,000+ points, it's not unlikely to find a reaction the other side. Yo, what's good, Tyler? Great job, bro. I appreciate the vibes. I'll admit the defeat there. It's okay, Saucy. Nobody knows shit. Nobody knows anything about what the market does. I'm not trading today, bro. I blew all 6 of my combines. I'm cooked. It's tough, bud. But that right there to show up, see the market, see the way that the things are being traded and not take trades is fucking awesome too. Just showing up and being here, involving yourself and not taking trades is progress, bro. Any advice, guys? Just, you know what it is, brother. Mindset. It's just another day. You saw yesterday I was ready to crash out. And just like you said, do the things that we can control. Take care of your health. Do the gym. And then the non-controllables like the market, we got to just do our best to not let it waver us. Because at the end of the day, this shit is completely and utterly unpredictable. Completely and utterly unpredictable. All we're doing here is just grouping together, throwing ideas at it, and seeing if we can be correct. But at the end of the day, this shit is random. So don't beat yourself up about it, Pat. You know, you wouldn't beat yourself up if we saw a shooting star, which is also random, right? You wouldn't beat yourself up if you won the lottery, which is completely random, right? So can't be upset about losing to the market that is also random. Into the 950s now. Teasing that 23,000 whole number after the fucking rejection from it is crazy. Crazy. It's just crazy. I mean, the strength. Every push into the EMA right now is just getting absorbed. Put me in timeout, Ty. I won't do it. I won't do it. Nope, I won't do it. I don't even know if I can. Can I? Can I time out my mod? Nope. And I won't do it. Into the 80s or the 70s. This is a fucking recovery, my boys. Straight up. Pretty healthy little recovery here. So far. I mean, we have options like the 50% we could try taking a sell at. We have the potential VWAP we could try taking a sell at. I don't know. This thing is looking interesting right now. 23,000 whole numbers coming up, which is lining up with the 50% as well. Please. Please, sir, can I have some more? Please, can I have some more? Get to these 23,000s. It could be an interesting opportunity. I mean, at the end of the day, we did just bounce up 180 points. 180 fucking points off the bottom. No joke. Just no joke. The volatility is being there. The opportunity's there. We're getting fucking volatility, boys. Be patient. Still, market hasn't even been open for an hour. So let's just find the spot, make some money. Let's find the spot, make some money. Thanks, bro. Just try it. Just tired of losing. I swear I'm going to get funded and take payouts. Yes, you will, Pat. Sorry I didn't see that till now. Yes, you will, brother. Yes, you will. I get how upsetting losing can be, though. But it's literally the lesson in the price that as traders we pay to then make thousands and thousands of dollars with very, very little effort. Like, think about the pain that you feel and how infinitesimal that is to the actual freedom that this provides us, right? It's like the gym. Like, holy fuck, my bicep is curling, like, burning right now. Ow, ow. And yet, those couple seconds of just enduring that pain grows. And then someone's looking at you and like, damn, bro, you train, look at your arms, you know? Great job, though, bro. Take those $200 hits and lock in another payout. I might, Pat. I might. No work today? No, I do, Elijah. I'm out of here in 30 minutes. I got work. 30 minutes till Europe closed. 30 minutes till I'm out. We'll see what happens. We're pinching higher right here. Just pinching higher. 23,000 numbers, super close. I might try to take a stab at that for a short if we get there. Depending on how we get there, of course. We do have work, though, which is why I would like to try to find one more spot. I'm happy with our two trades today. We took a little $200 loser trying to long. I don't even remember what we longed. Oh, early, like the first couple minutes. I longed this candle here. Smoked. And then we found the proper short here, so... One more trade, though, boys. And let's see it. It might be this 23,000 short. We could rip to VWAP, which would also be below the 15-minute range. I still don't mind that option either. We have some options. It's tricky to fucking really spot it out, but we have some options. Like, looks, feels like a potential yesterday where you just get like a strong retracement. But, I mean, I don't know, because yesterday was different than this already, so... The similarities is the straight moves. Straight moves. Yesterday and today are both providing just pretty much one direction. One direction trades. This 50% could be pretty tempting at this 23,000 whole number for a short. Depending on how we deliver there. VWAP being so close is a little intimidating, though. I won't lie about it. We could see some volatility here. We could. And again, we don't know shit. We don't know what's going to happen, when it's going to happen. But all we knew is that this price that we died into, this 800, was a massively supported price, right? So for the last month, we've just been bouncing off this 800 every time we get there. Boom, 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 boom. And then we hit it again. And so now we're getting a little reaction. That's all we can see right now. We don't know if it's going to continue. We don't know if we rip up into VWAP. We don't know shit. All we know is that we did get a push into a demand zone, found a reaction, and now our job as a trader is to find the next spot for the return of, some of this liquidity. I don't imagine we just get a straight V recovery. So it's tough though. Liquidity, 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 liquidity. Here we go. 23,000 whole number in the NASDAQ once again after seeing 22,800 today. Insane. Here's the 50% being teased. I can't try to time it with a 10-point stop right now, but we are looking shorts. Again, we only have a 10-point stop, so it's going to be a little bit risky to try to grab off of a first reaction. We got to wait for the retest. I don't mind this price though, boys. We could see the reaction here. Grab a little short. Oh, 40 short maybe. Yeah, that could be sexy. My only worry about that would be this price here, this 0.32, where we had the initial bounce and pre-market low, and where we ended up really selling from after that first pop as well. So I'm kind of interested in this 30s level. But with 30 having fucking the VWAP be so close as well, right above, kind of changes it a little bit. Still not seeing any reaction that might indicate selling yet. Not seeing anything yet. I'm long from the 77. Stop at 21, but I have 150K accounts. But I have 150K accounts. Damn, what do you? So you're how many contracts? Long from the 77 is dope though. Stop at the 21. So you're risking 50 points. That's not bad. You're risking $1,000 targeting the 060s first TP. So our boy predicts that we may be ripping through VWAP here. VWAP is now within the 50-minute range, so it's not impossible. Not impossible at all. Strong push reclaiming the 50-minute range. This recovery kind of feels no joke. Like a straight V recovery kind of doesn't, I kind of can't, I can't sleep on that. 5 MNQ per account, targeting the 60s. Hell yeah, okay. Let's see that fire then for you, boy. I'd like to see that rip for D. I might even consider a 60 short. Could be pretty attractive, at least for a small reaction. I mean, if 60 can't hold for a short, or the 55s can't hold for a short for 10 points, then V recovery, and that's okay. A little V recovery, and that's okay. Right now, this thing's not to be fucked with. I mean, we came off the 800s. We're up 220 points off this bottom, boys, with a pretty much straight move. Pretty much 220 points straight after giving 95 down to the... So pretty much 300 points down and now 200 points up. I don't know what that means. Do with that as you will, but that's what we're getting. Once this thing kind of starts hinting that it wants to turn, we can try to grab the short. We're looking for 60, though, for D to see if we can get there. Excuse me. 25 minutes left till Europe closes. This is insanity price action, boys. Be patient. 300 points selling off the rip of the morning, out of the 800 whole number, and then a 200-plus point reaction off of it. No joke. Lots of opportunity to make a lot of money. Just got to be patient and careful here, right? Finding a little bit of reaction off this 23,000 whole number. Definitely expected. Definitely a little bit of expected to find a reaction here. It's 50% and a 23,000 whole number. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. My only thing, I would be taking a short right now off of this push of this candle at the 50% and this previous top. I'm not going to with having VWAP be so fucking close. Looking to buy now, sir. See, Song Sing's looking long. Song Sing's looking long. I'm actually looking a little short. I'm hesitant with the VWAP being close, so I'm gonna be patient. Song Sing likes the long though. I don't mind it. I don't mind it for you if it's in your strategy. Not exactly aligned with what I'm looking at, but it's okay. Hope this thing can rip up to the 60s for you guys. Opening print price was the 88s, so we're teasing that already, sort of. Look at the strength, boys. Look at the strength. When you sell over 1,000 points in 2 days, finding a 200-point retracement isn't crazy. Fucking with the stereo that we got today. Let's go, boys. Let's have a fucking Friday, hey? Come on. Pushing into the 23,020s. Getting closer and closer to this V recovery. I don't even trust shorting this thing anymore. You take a short at the VWAP in the bottom of this range, possibly. It's an opportunity, but man, the strength is for real here. That bounce was smooth, for sure. Pretty much just, I mean, look at this. What letter is that? It's definitely not a D. Straight V recovery, boys. And we're still down 1.5% after this push, so. Here we go. Starting to see a reaction now. Starting to get a little bit of a reaction now off that 23,020s number. First time we've seen it. $23,000 showing resistance. Yes, sir. Buys at the 960. It's an opportunity. It is. I don't think shorts are in for real, as this is just kind of a flat top at a number. So if you are looking to still participate in this, I would be short term, still looking long, but I'm still being patient. I want to find the real short. I don't exactly believe this yet. If we could get a push right now in toward these 23,005s, I will take a short. Risky with having this flat top right here, though. No doubt about it. $60 could be a long. 60 could be a long. We also have lots of opportunities to find a long. I mean, could even be down here at the bottom of the range. Could be at this 40s. Like, with that type of a move, it's tricky. Stopped out, break even. No follow through. No follow through, so. Still looking for buy, Song Sing says. Bum ba dum ba da da dum. I'm interested to see the buys come in one more time and try to take out this top, this flat top here. I want to see the reaction. Non-farm payroll, boys. First Friday of the month. After FOMC, this is what we're getting. 1,000-point drops and 200-point retracements. Do you love it or what? It's no joke. Opportunity. That's enough from you. What? Because we missed it? What? Because we didn't make enough on it? Look at it. It's just giving. It's just giving. It said, hey, all you had to do yesterday at any point was hit the sell button. Did you? Oh, you didn't? Oh. Oh, you didn't? Oh, did you sell? Oh. Oh, look at, oh. And all night go sideways. And then, oh. Motherfucking market. Just providing points. And I'm not even grabbing much of them. Fuck. Into these 70s? No, because I'm short. Laugh my ass off. Oh, he's short. I like it. I don't mind it, Thomas. I wanted to grab short. Talking about going higher over there. No. Makes you want to ride my horse. Laugh my ass off thinking the same. She's just doing stuff. She's doing stuff and I want to participate. I hope this thing does turn right here because this looks... I won't even say it. He does want it, Saucy. Think about the 990 to short of the... Yes, sir. That's what I like. I like to see what you're thinking, Spitz. He does need it, though, Sauce. Bum, 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 bum. I'm practicing limits as it turned away from my fill. Exactly why I market execute. Limits are the safest, bro. You got to be okay with... I'm okay with missing a trade. I put a limit on and get missed. I'm okay with that. You recommend having multiple accounts? Copy trading? What's up, Florida Made GEO? Yes, I do, brother. Welcome in, King. I do, bro. I've been trading copied accounts from the beginning. Obviously, a little bit more expensive, but if you hit it, you hit it, and it's definitely more worth it. That's a lock. Oh, so Sauce is just putting the dial in now, like he never left. Okay. So we're going down. Hopped out, made 1.6 per. W Timothy. Fucking great trading, sir. Let's fucking go. That's what I like to hear. That was Max Payne shorting. Yeah, this is insane. Which makes me think that we're not really going down, you know? Yeah. Finding some reaction. I'm going to buy out the 60s. Elijah's looking long. He did put a limit order like he said he was going to. What are we doing? What are we doing? Like, what are we actually doing? Nice push off these 60s into these 80s, 85s. Boom. Good exit, Thomas. Great exit. The longs found that support at the 60s. Strong push back into the 23,000 push now. How would you pass a fresh set of 5 combines right now, Tyler? Gonna reset mine next week. Right now, buddy, I would be willing to trade small size and just wait for the boom 40-point play right there. Yes, sir. Good trading, Elijah. Yeah, I'd be trading with some smaller size, buddy, and just waiting to just waiting. That's kind of what I'd be looking at. I'm gonna try one. Trying one here if we get a fill. I'm Peyton Manning's thing if y'all listening. This man's funny as hell. Appreciate it. No problem, Florida made. No problem at all, King. But yeah, I'll just be willing to be okay with smaller size, Pat. You know, one contract is really all you need. One, maybe two. You have $2,000 in drawdown. And, yeah, kind of what I'd be doing, brother. And also, just like I said, that mindset, right? That thing goes a fucking long ways. Trying to see if we can get a fill down here. We're a little lower than I guess I'd love, but you know what it is. Holding this EMA now. Looking for a fill at the 80. Now, what are we looking for a fill at the 73s? Yeah, I'm at the 73 right now. Why not more contracts? 3 to 5. Just because of your situation. I mean, if the range is there and you have the mental acuity to potentially lose. 5 contracts, bro, is a quick account. I have 5 accounts. I just did 5 lots for 1,000, 1,500 TPs. I ain't care if it hit TP. I saw that hit 1K or more. Close the trade. Hey, making some money, sir. Making some money, Elijah. Good trading, brother. I'm in combine. Risk 200 to get 400-ish. I always risk the 200, the 10-point stop, and then the 400's not my. It's not locked. Like I'm not like, oh, I only want a 2-1 here. I just will take the one contract trade, willing to lose, and then if I do see it to start respect my order in the right direction, I'm willing to hold on and take some more. I'm willing. This long feels a little seriously risky here right now. Not going to lie to y'all. Kind of debating on if I want to hold or not. We're in. Let's see if we can get a hold. It's going to be fast toward our stop loss if it's not. And I meant to put 2 contracts. We did 1. Looks like it worked out for us. We're getting murdered. And I'm below my normal. So this is upsetting. Wanted to risk 200 here. 10 points. Forgot that we adjusted that. Damn. She's starting to find the sells now, it looks like. Off of that price. I have 1 now. First count kind of wanted to go for a potential 10K payout, so I think it's worth it. Definitely potential there, bro. Definitely a potential worth it there. If you just have that 1 account and you feel safe with it, I mean, it's okay. I've been using GC then micro once I pass combine thoughts. Yeah, I mean, if that's your strategy, brother, I don't mind gold. Gold is pretty consistent, and if you feel safer with micros because you can manage your trade better, that's pretty decent. It's pretty decent if you can manage your trade better. We just got burned on this push here, which makes me anticipate that shorts could still be for reals. Didn't love that. I did not love the way that moved. And I didn't love that I fucking took 4 there instead of a 2. That should have only been a 202. It's poor on my part. Poor on my part. We're taking 2 here, boys. I guess I should really only be doing 1 now, but... You gotta come give me a chance here, girly. I don't love the structure here, though. It kind of feels like we could just continue there. Give me a Philly. I'd like a fill in around the shorts for the 970s right now. 75-ish. Going in and out. Appreciate you for letting me know. Message retracted by Pat. Okay, King. Took a short 960. Make or break from my backup XFA. Let's fucking go, Spitz. Let's see this thing break through here. I don't mind the 60 short after I got burned on that long at all. Last 600 in the account before blowing. Let's fucking go, bro. You got this shit. You got this shit. Here we go. Pushing into the 30s now. Sell Spitz. Trying the bottom of the 15-minute range here at these 20s. Could be an interesting price to see a reaction at least. Could be an interesting price to at least see a reaction. Short in the middle of a range here, technically, with this order. Yeah, I don't know. Looking for 870. I'm seeing a nice block there. It's looking very bearish. Higher time frames are bearish as well. TP. I want a short fill in around these 60s. Maybe even a little higher. My TP is 870. Back towards that push. I don't mind it. Looking for. But trade doesn't look the best, but who knows? I just passed on my Apex 50K full porting on the 1049 candle. I'm going to trade it with you on Monday, Tyler, if you fix your latency. Haha. Hell yeah, D. Good trading, brother. I'll try my best to fix my latency. But I appreciate it that you want to do that. I fuck with that. We're putting an order in here, boys. See if we can get a sell order. Looking to short the 50s. I'm with you, D. I'm with you, Spitz. We could easily hold this level here. It's true. This 920s level is a pretty big support level. But we're going to see if it can rip. I'm with you. Give me that fill. Give me that fill. Give me that fill. Don't tease me. Oh, man. Don't tease me. Did we just get missed, boys? She's right here still. We just need a fill. Come on, Nazi. Come on, Nazi. Don't fuck with me. Oh, man. We just got missed twice. Barely. Seeking these 50s. Turning at the 49 and 50. Okay. Oh, don't do me so dirty, NASDAQ. Fuck, boys. We just barely got missed there. Unreal. Now if we're looking for a fill, we got to come in lower. And I don't like that. We got to be looking for a fill lower if we're trying to get it. And she's still teasing us out. NASDAQ. Can you give me a fill, Nazi? Holy shit. 40. Get there. And then I'll get filled and then rip through my price. Dude, give us a fucking fill. Holy shit. Thank you. Yeah, what I say? I'm going to get a fill and then it's going to rip through my price. What did I say? It's predictable. This shit is predictable. And we fucked up our thing again. I got to remember to change that right now, boys. No more. Yeah, we're murdered on this. Painful. Decent push there. See if she wants it. She's teasing. It's teasing. I don't really love this trade as much anymore. Don't love this trade as much anymore, boys. We get it to hold, though. A-okay. Gotta see if we can get through this previous spot here. Otherwise, we're still in the murder zone. I am going to put our normal $200 loss on. We shouldn't be risking more than that. That was a fuck up on our part. Big time. Let's see this bottom give up here, though. Could be nice. Let's see this bottom try to give up for us here. Show me it, NASDAQ. Show me some sells come in here. Sauce, you got the phone number? Sauce, you got that phone number, bub? Let's get through this bottom. If we get through this 15-minute range, could be nice. Otherwise, we're in a danger zone. I want to see this reaction on this candle. This candle is going to kind of give me what I need to see here. Either in and out, in or out. Let's see it. I got it, buddy. He's in here. Man put the phone call in for us. See if we can get through this bottom. Got to get some strength through it. Otherwise, we're at a pretty dangerous spot. Don't want to see some support here. This is not what we want to see. Trying the EMA there, finding a little bit of support by our sellers. This is not what we want to see here. Got to try to get through this bottom. Decent reaction from the sellers there off that load up. One more try here. This candle is indicative. Got to see it flip on us. Got to see it now. This has got to be the push. Or else I'm closing this trade if we don't get this thing to flush through there. Flush through there. Yeah. I'm out. I ain't seeing it. It could easily keep going. Likely it will now. We did need the EMA defense. And we got it. Oh. Still at a giant level. I just don't love it yet. I got out, Saucy. We needed EMA defense and we got it. Big shielded EMA already in. I couldn't hold. Couldn't hodl. Well, we made our 400 after we just lost it. I actually want to long this. I actually want to long this fucking push right here. Those troops are now going to show up confused. Yeah, but the thing is what if they get fucking buried by these longs? I kind of want to long this now. Saucy. Tell them not to show up. Tell them we don't need them. If we get a push above this price, I'm going to try to stake along here, boys. 800 plus profit in sells. Let's go, Song Sing. Let's go. Elijah said long. Excuse me. You know it, King. You know it, King. Now the short looking decent. Yeah, it is, Spitz. It is. This is the only level I was afraid of here, was this bottom of the 15-minute range. As long as the buyers don't reclaim that, you should be chilling. The reaction to struggle through here is a little interesting for me, though. They debating on when to take profit. It's hard. I don't want to tell you what to do. But we have opportunity here at this price. You know what I mean? This 900 whole number is an opportunity to take a buy out of here. Holy shit, I am fucking under the water, boys. I'm not even paying attention. It's 11 o'clock. I've got to get out of here and go back to the old WRK. So we're going to call it here for the day, boys. Elijah said I should have held. Should have, would have, could have, brother. I wish I did, but this is a level that I'm seeing a chance for a reaction out of. I really am. 900 hard bounce. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a possibility. I am. And that's what scared me out. We'll see the reaction at this EMA. Got to find some defense there for you, Spitz. That was my only fear, was that price there. Dance like you never left. Dance like you never left. All right, boys. I am so tempted to grab this 921 long, but I can't do it. I got to go back to work. Seriously, fucking love you guys. Thank you for showing up again, hanging out. Tomorrow, we will be taking the weekend, enjoying ourselves. I hope you guys get to be with some family, be with some loved ones, laugh, live a little bit, drink some sun, get some water, take care of yourselves. Get that mind fresh, Pat. Hope you're hearing me, King. Get that mind right. And the troops did listen, Sauce. They brought it where we needed to go. I was just afraid of the other team, you know. And it is what it is. We can't make it right every time. But yeah, Pat. Hope you have a good day or a good weekend. Get the good workout in. Later, brother. Hit the gym and get some sun. See you Monday. Fuck yeah, King. I'll see you all, boys. Take it easy. And if you have any accounts, protect them. We got a nice week ahead of us. Enjoy the weekend. Peace. Hmm.